I saw this fantastic new machine and it had a computerized screen on. 20 minutes after looking at the demo, I'm like, okay, we're gonna try this. It's such a great tool that's gonna take care of so many things for you that you don't even know that you struggle with or have to keep in mind until that new machine is on your counter. You can't feel how much it impacts you. And as much as I thought that it was expensive, 10 days later, I ended up purchasing 2 more machines. You're gonna write off the depreciation on it, and it's gonna be there. I think it's a great investment. You will be very happy by trying it and applying it into your pharmacy practice.